Blog Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an issue with the Android device where the apps are crashing, where you're seeing unfortunately the app has crashed. Now it can happen to any app, and I just want to show you since I was able to fix it on this device. So the particular apps I was having issues with was two apps here. This one called Rectica and the other called Wattpad. Unfortunately I didn't capture the screen, but you should understand what I'm saying, alright? So what was happening, as soon as I opened this one it would crash and return to the desktop. This one will open a little bit and then it would crash. Alright, so what I want to do, I have two fixes that will actually work for you. Actually three fixes that should solve this problem 100%. So if you're having this issue, try these in the order that I'm giving you. Now if an app is crashing such as Rectica or Wattpad or any other app, the first thing I want to do is to identify the name of the app. You're then going to go into your settings. It might be different for yours, right? And I want you to go over to search, scroll down until you find apps or app manager. You're going to scroll over to all. Once you're on all, you're going to search for the app such as the one I was mentioning a while ago. Someone's going to go all the way down. And in the case of that one like this one called Wattpad, you can actually tap on it. What you can go in here is you're going to do two things. Now, note that if it's something that stores data locally, you'll lose all the data. So you're going to clear cache and then you're going to clear data. For most apps, it should not do it anything, especially if it stores it online. Once you do that, you're going to come up here and you're going to force stop. You're going to come back out here and you're going to try launching the app again. For some apps, it will fix it. For others, it won't. Now, the next thing I want to try is you're going to power off the phone. You're going to hit power off. And I'll come back as soon as powers off. Now what you're going to do is going to hold power and you're going to hold volume up. And you should boot into recovery mode. It will be slightly different for some devices. Here it says recovery. I'm going to tap on recovery. Once you get to the screen, some of you will see Android on its back. You need to press the correct button, either power and up or power and down, or both up and down and power. For this one is just power and up. Alright guys, so once you're in here, what you're going to do is you're going to use volume up and down to navigate. From the previous screen, it was actually volume up to navigate and then volume down to select OK. So you get into recovery mode, you're going to hit volume down. You move down to wipe cache partition. I don't want to do it though, since I've already done it. Then you're going to hit power and it should wipe the cache partition. You'll only see the confirmation down here that cache has been wiped. Alright, once you do that, you're going to reboot the system by going up to reboot at the top up here. And once you're up there, you're going to use select with power and it should reboot. You're going to log back in to your account and you're going to basically just try to see if the app is still crashing. If that doesn't work and you want to repeat it at least another time, and if it still doesn't work, the last and final step is to actually go down to this option right here that says wipe and factory reset. Now use this only as a last resort. Make sure you back up all the data before you use wipe and factory reset, as it's going to erase everything. Wiping the cache won't delete anything of significance from your device, but wiping data and factory reset will. So once you do that, it will set it up as if it was the first time from the factory. I will only recommend I use that in extreme cases where apps are crashing and the device is unusable. Alright guys, so this has been a quick way to fix, unfortunately the app has crashed for any Android device in 3 steps. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.